Hey traders! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to save your chart layout in TradingView so you don't lose your indicators, drawings, or settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to TradingView.com and log into your account. Step 2. At the top bar of the chart screen, you'll see your chart layout name, usually something like unnamed. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down will appear. Click on Save Layout or Save As if you want to name it something specific. Step 4. Type in a name like Day Trading Setup or Crypto Analysis so you can easily find it later. Step 5. Make sure Autosave is turned on. This way, any changes you make will be saved automatically. Super helpful. Step 6. Set up your chart the way you like it. Add indicators, draw trend lines, and customize the time frames. After you set up the chart, click Export the data to download it. Bonus tip. If you're using the free plan, you can save one chart layout. Upgrade to Pro or higher to save multiple layouts for different strategies. And that's how you save your chart layout in TradingView. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more trading tips. See you next time!